Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, my bobos?
Good.
What day is it?
Worship Sunday.
Where are we going?
Church.
Please listen, please behave, and we'll talk after. I get.
I'm wearing your shirt.
I see.
These things.
Oh yes, when small boo with, but you didn't like formula anyway. For formula measuring, my baby. You also didn't like it. You liked titties. Same, all of you and formula were not friends.
But Mama just had it in her cupboard.
Yes, just in case you guys didn't want food, yada 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 yada. And when I got hit by a car, you had to land. So I found you bottle feeding because there was no TD
No.
for 2 months. Soon as I came back, you went back to the TD, and then they said, no, medication, you can't give the baby the TD. So yeah, that's how you stopped.
And then another month again.